where you don't have to convince your prospects to buy your coaching programs or one-on-one coaching. Buying happens automatic. Hey, do not get prospects to your discovery calls. This is not going to work. Okay, please do not do that. I will tell you why. Okay, but before that, let me tell you one statistics, because I'm a data-driven person. I believe numbers never lie. Okay, there are 4.38 million coaches all over the globe. Let me just show you quickly the statistics in this website. Okay, see, 4.3 million coaches globally. Okay, now how do you position yourself as an industry thought leader, and why do people buy from you? Now, based on my research, what I found is many coaches, right, whether they're beginner or advanced or intermediate, what they do is they attract more prospects and they send them to a discovery call where they will talk to the people, talk to their prospect, understand their pain points, their problems, and based on that, they will send them a coaching program or maybe a one-on-one coaching services, right? That is what the usual approach I have seen a lot of the coaches are doing, and that is a completely wrong way to approach. First, they don't get enough prospects for free sessions. That is the first. And second one, even if they manage to get a lot of people inside their discovery session, they're not able to convert them into a buyer. And that happens because there is three major defect in this model. Defect number one is you waste a lot of time investing on unqualified prospects or unwanted prospects, because they are not even qualified whether they want to go for they're not even a buyer, right? You don't know. They just got a free service and they came inside and you spent a lot of time understanding their pain points and nothing worked out. You couldn't convert because they initially never thought of buying anything from you or anyone else, right? Okay, so that is the biggest challenge, because you are talking to unwanted customers, unwanted prospects, unqualified prospects. That is the challenge number one. Second, because of this one-on-one free consultation, what happens? You drains out. Okay, you are spending a lot of time spending with them to understand, and you get exhausted. And if nobody buys or nobody get inside next level, you might get frustrated sometimes, right? Because you are giving a lot of time to them and nobody is buying. So obviously you'll feel a little bit disheartened, right? And third number is it's not scalable approach, because you only have 24 hours a day. And even if you just talk to, if your discovery session is 1 hour, how many people you can talk to? Maximum 24 people if you don't sleep or don't do any other work, just to talk to people, right? Who is humanly not possible. So these are the three major disruptions, I would say, right? Defect in this approach, okay? But what if I tell you there is a better way? Okay, where you don't have to convince your prospects to buy your coaching programs or one-on-one coaching. You don't have to convince them to buy. Buying happens automatic, okay, as a byproduct. Now what if I tell you the only people who go inside your discovery calls are pre-interested, or they are qualified enough to buy your coaching programs? Only you will be talking to only those people who are interested to buy. How does that sound, right? That's awesome, isn't it? And the third part, the very powerful part of this one, is scalable. What if I tell you you don't have to work, because it's automated, right? The entire system that I'm going to tell you is absolutely automated, okay? And the power of automation is scalable, right? Once you have an automated system that is working 24 hours, 24/7 for you, that means you can easily scale that system to the sky level, right? Because you just have to drive traffic to that. And one of the beauty of the training that I have come up for you, it will give you the exact method that I have implemented in my one of my coaching businesses, and I got 189 qualified leads just in 30 days without spending anything. It's basically, I call it the FBL cash machine. I know it's a fancy sounding, but it's true. Okay, the name is FBL Cash Machine. I call it the Fast Track Business Launcher. So let me introduce myself. I'm Roop Kumar. I have been in the corporate from last 14 years. I'm into sales and marketing and business analysis. So I mostly go through numbers because numbers never lies. And with that said, I have a good news for you. 90% of all the surveyed life coaches said they currently have active clients. Okay, now that is a good news, right? So if you might already have a client, so the reason you are watching, maybe you want to scale it, right? But you don't know how to do that. Or you are not good at technical stuff. Say, well, everything is covered inside the training. Okay, I have taken a holistic approach to make sure you understand the steps. That is very powerful for any coaching industry. Okay, if you're a coach, then I highly recommend go and check that out. It's absolutely free, 2 hours training where we will cover the 5-step process that builds your business basically. And there is a lot of other dimensions, okay, which you can implement and grow better and faster. A lot of different stuffs, so you can go and check it out. And if you attend the training today, just for attending, okay, I'll be giving you 2 things. Okay, one, I'll be giving you the FBL blueprint, okay, which covers the entire 5 steps. Just take it. It's a book that I have written, and it's an ebook basically. You'll find 5 different steps. You just take it, implement it by yourself. Also, I'll be giving you a mass conversion 2.0 that talks directly to your buyer psychology and motivate them to become a buyer. Basically, it's a psychology stuff that you'll be implementing in your business. Okay, bye. And one more thing before you go, if you have some friends who are a life coaching, right, who are struggling to get more clients, who are struggling to do something better, right? See, coaching is about helping people, right? Whether you're a business coach, you're a finance coach, or relationship coach, or family coach, right? A spiritual coach, finance career coach. If you know somebody who is into coaching and he is struggling or she is struggling, then please share this video with them, because this is going to be transformational for them as well. Okay, so having said that, please go check that out. Click the link below. Okay, go inside, register for the training, enjoy the training, 2 hours training, get all the gifts what I'm giving out. Okay, take it, implement it, have fun. I'm telling you, this is going to be a completely different approach that you have been taught so far. Okay, and also all the technical stuffs are been taken care of. Okay, go ahead, check that out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.